Hi folks, I'm Zoe Clarke from RosterElf. I'm absolutely thrilled to share my tips on saving and uploading roster templates, perfectly suited to help our amazing small businesses streamline their workforce scheduling. How to save a roster template. Filter your roster to the desired site. This ensures you're focusing on the right location. Add the required shifts to the roster. This includes both draft and published shifts for easy reuse. Click Save as Template at the bottom right. This lets you name it clearly, like New Site Roster Template, so you can find it again quickly. How to upload a roster template. Filter your roster to the site you want to update. This makes sure your changes apply to the correct location. Select the week in the weekly view. This pinpoints the exact dates you want to fill. Click Upload Template and choose the one you need. This instantly populates your roster with saved shifts. Decide if you want to replace or add to existing shifts. This is handy if you want a clean slate or just layer on extra shifts. Remember that only future shifts will update if you upload mid-period. This ensures you keep any shifts that have already passed. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, we're always here to help if you have any questions. Happy rostering!